Have you ever tried plantain in a chicken soup? Let's talk about this. In Ecuador, we have so many unique and delicious recipes, and today I want to share the secret to a flavorful and hearty chicken and plantain soup. Let's get started. Grab your favorite pot and boil some water. Add chicken with the bones. This is the secret to infusing rich flavor into the soup. Next, toss in garlic, green onions, and don't forget to add salt. About 20 or 30 minutes before the chicken is fully cooked, add potatoes, carrots, and plantains. Add the plantains one by one to prevent them from sticking together in the hot water. Keep in mind the cooking time I'm mentioning assumes you have cooked the ingredients into similar size as mine. Add juice accordingly if yours are larger or smaller. Once everything is cooked, sprinkle some fresh cilantro and green onions on top. That's it. Your delicious Ecuadorian soup is ready to serve. But be careful, it's super hot, but so delicious. Enjoy!